This is a public service announcement. This problem is asking you to take a decimal and convert it to a fraction. You should be using your notes on page 26, where it tells you how to take that decimal back to a fraction. You write the number over its place value, then simplify. Okay? If that's all that you needed to remember, go ahead and go solve. You could also be using your throw-up sheet in the bottom right-hand corner, okay, where it shows you all of your conversion steps. So we're looking for decimal to fraction, okay? The number you see over its place value, then simplify. All right, this particular problem says a bag of oats weighs 85 hundredths of a pound. What fraction of a pound is the bag of oats? So we're looking for this decimal as a fraction, okay? Go back to your notes or throw-up sheet, and what are the steps we take to make a decimal into a fraction? Or rewind the video. Okay? It said you need to write your decimal over its place value. Okay, so the decimal number over its place value. And then we simplify. All right, so what place value is your number in? Okay, this is 0.85. All right, so after the decimal, we have tenths, and hundredths. Okay, so our last one ends in the hundredths, so that's what you would write it over. But then you need to simplify. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you your answer choices so you can start thinking. All right, we said not simplified so far. We know it's going to be something equivalent to 85 hundredths. All right. On your star, they'll probably try to trick you and give you something like this, where it's very similar, and you're like, maybe I do put it over the tenths place. No, you put it over the last place value. The 5 was in the hundredths, okay? So it cannot be 85 tenths. All right, so you need to go simplify 85 hundredths. Remember, whenever you simplify fractions, you divide the top and bottom by the same number to get just a smaller equivalent fraction. So go simplify your fraction and then pick the fraction over here that is in its simplest form and equivalent to the one that we have.